In the previous class, we discussed the definition of light, like what is the light. We understand the questions like how we see the object, like we understand that when the light is put in the object, they say object. Okay, I hope you can clearly see. So if light, when the light put like a drop in the object, after the reflection it came in our eyes, and through the mind we can see the overall mechanism, and through we see the overall image, like what is the object of color. We can see light. For example, if I switch off the light, we both, you and me, are not clearly seeing what is going on in the hair. Basically it is the normal concept of light, reflection and reflection. In this chapters we will introduce spherical cells, spherical mirror, lens. So first understand what is the spherical mirror. Now spherical mirror. Okay, now imagine you have the glass cutter and you have a sphere of, say, radius r. Okay, this is the sphere. Imagine, so if you cut the sphere, oops, I have only one pen. No, you got it. Okay, imagine one second, sorry for that. So imagine this is our spherical mirror, and if I cut it through the center, now we get the two sides of the mirror. First is this, second is this. Okay, let's polish it, and after the polishing we get like this type of shape. Like imagine like you have a sphere, then you cut it and it split into two parts. Okay, now see that this part I am using, it has something like the mirror is this side, the mirror is this side, and the second thing is this side. Okay, so this type of mirror is, so in this case the polished area means the part where the mirror is not in this. Okay, we polish it. Okay, so this side the mirror in the this direction, like a cave, so it is called concave because it is a cave type of structure, like a cave, the mirror in this part. Okay, so the mirror is in this part. Okay, and in this case the second thing, the polished area is now this is the polished area. So this area is act as the mirror that reflect the light, and here it reflects the light. So it is called convex mirror or lens. Okay, so you understand, when we split the two mirrors, it convert into two parts, concave and concave. So the mirror, basically mirror has two part, the spherical mirror. The first one, it is concave mirror, which one known as cave, and second thing is convex. Not remember this thing, let's just understand. Okay, like concave, convex, understand the topic, not the remember, memorize the things. Like you have, imagine like a spherical mirror, you cut it, it's split into two parts. The first is a concave type of structure where the light reflected it, and the second thing is convex, the like an this is the 2D. Then the 3D diagram, you can see that like a I mean, no, I am not a good at a what I say, the drawing. So like this type of structure, and second thing is of this type of structure. Maybe the polished area is this. So it is a concave and it is convex. The light reflected, right reflected. Okay, I hope you understand what I am saying to here about the concave and convex. And in, let's imagine the same thing is here. I use the concave because it is easy to understand and drawing well. Yeah, okay, the concave. Okay, this line, which is the pass from the middle one, say O, it is called the principal axis. What I am saying is the principal axis. Okay, it is called the center of curvature because the center in the curvature, like an this the part is the center of curvature. So this the curvature, the curve, and the part which is the center is called center of curvature. Okay, and this is called center of curvature. Center of curvature. Okay, and it is called the focal. The focus from the point, all are equal. Say F. This is the O. So F is called the focal length. Okay, these are some brief introduction of the what is the axis, the principal axis, the lower, upper, or lower. This in next class we will discuss them deeply, and the light reflection, and then move to the next part and understand the whole chapter of light and reflection, and then we move to the next part. Okay, I hope you understand the topic, the concept. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.